What's up guys, this is Geno J and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some really good renovation tips. This is a property that I just purchased. I'm going to walk you through it and tell you some of the stuff I'm going to be doing to the property and why I'm doing it, and to give you some really good tips on how to add value to the property. So let's go guys. All right, outside of the property, overall the condition of the property looks really good. Like, this neighborhood is a neighborhood that was built in the early 2000s, and it's tucked inside of an Atlanta neighborhood, in an area where it's outside of this neighborhood most of the houses are built in the 40s and 50s. So on the outside we already have the hardy siding. There is some wood rot on the outside that we have to fix towards the bottom. One of the things that we're going to do to this property is we're going to extend this rail on the side, because we plan to list this property for close to $300,000, and there's no way we're going to be able to sell this property without a deck off the rear. So by extending this rail, that gives the owner the option to walk out of the house and then to be able to access the deck without having to walk on the ground and come around. So it just makes it a feature on the house. Now, to do that, we're going to have to move, of course, this unit. The unit is older and I'm going to replace it anyhow, so it's not that big of a deal. But that unit is going to have to go towards the end of the house, so we can do a deck about at least 12 off the back and about 12 to 14 this way. And of course, we're going to clear up the yard and do a little bit of landscaping to get all this in order. But that's one of the things that we're going to do to add value. Like, luckily, the windows are in great shape, the siding's in great shape, so there's not a lot to do on the outside except the deck and freshen up the paint. We are going to be trying to get close to $300,000 for this property. And one of the things that's going to help is if we get rid of some of this vinyl and add wood, and we'll be able to stain the wood and probably add some shutters to give the house some pop. So this is the vinyl that I'm talking about. We're going to get rid of this vinyl and definitely add some shutters. All right guys, we're going to go in, and we did do some demo, but I'm going to share with you some really good tips on what we doing to the property, so you can use some of these tips on your renovation to maximize your profit. Right now, this house is about 1,600 square feet, and it's 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. The problem walking in is that there's no openness to the house. It just feels really tight and closed in. So one of the things, of course, that we're gonna do is take out, this wall here in front. By taking out this wall and doing an island, it's just gonna give the appearance of more openness. The other thing we're gonna do is, of course, vault the ceilings, because once we vault the ceilings, the height is gonna look a lot larger. So just by doing these 2 changes up front, will make the inside, give the inside a lot of pop. As far as the bedrooms, we're not gonna do a whole lot to the bedrooms on the right side of the house, because they're just standard rooms with standard closets, so nothing really to see there. The laundry area we're gonna keep the same. We'll probably frame this in and do a double door here so that it feels like it's tucked away. And then the bathroom, we'll demo the bathroom, do a new tub and new shower, surround sound. And then we'll also change out the vanity and change out the toilet, and of course paint and do new fixtures. Now the major change is going to be in the back. Currently, when you walk in, there's a room on the left, and then also there's a room on the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this the master bedroom. So the door is going to go right here. And now all this is going to be the master bedroom. This wall is going to come out, and then we're taking the old closet right here, and we're converting the old closet and the old bathroom into one large master bathroom. Because to be able to get top dollar, we're gonna have to have a large master bathroom with a large stand-up shower and more openness. And then on this back wall over here, we're gonna build the closet on this back wall. So once we make these changes, we'll have a nice 3-2 with an open floor plan, with a big master bedroom, a walk-in closet, and a lot of openness. And those are gonna be the keys for us to have success in this renovation project. When you're trying to get top dollar for a property, these are the things you have to do and have to think about. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned some things, and stay tuned because we're gonna be doing an update video once all the tile is done and all the framing is done so you can see the progress. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time guys, this is Geno J, and I am out.